In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change language in Slack. So if you want to switch your Slack account from one language to another, it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so all you need to do is to go to your Slack account and then head over to your Workspace name above here. Under this, click on Tools and Settings and then scroll down under Settings. You'll see we have Workspace Settings. Now, if you click on this, a new tab will open, and on the sidebar menu, look for Account and Profile. Now, if you click on this, we have quite a number of options or changes you can make on your account, and among them is language. Currently, you can see I'm using English USA, and you're told choose the language you'd like to use with Slack. To change it, go ahead and click on Expand, and now here, go ahead and click on this toggle and you'll see we have quite a number of languages that you can switch to. So go ahead and choose your preferred language, and then once you're done, go ahead and click on Save. Once that is done, now you'll see your language will have been switched to the new one. So that's how you can change your language in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.